Hello, guys. Today is Monday, January 13th, 2025. And yeah, 10 minutes before the open, we are getting ready for this open today. Um, before diving into my pre-market plan, I'm just going to show something that I believe it's convenient somehow. Um, Today, we also have one of those days where price is respecting VWAP perfectly, in my opinion, as a resistance. Okay, so we will have that into account going into today's session. And funny enough, we can see that at VWAP specifically, there is a lot of trading volume. Okay, so this right here, trading volume, not quite, not quite, not quite. Okay, it's not a VWAP, not a VWAP. Trading volume, not quite, not quite. Trading, a lot of trading volume here, also here, but the majority is here, not at VWAP. Once again, test of VWAP. Trading volume, trading volume, trading volume. Okay, it's just something to note. Okay, not a big deal. Okay, and yeah, that's it. What I really wanted to talk about. Yeah, let's dive into the pre-market plan and to what I have planned for today's session. So yeah, there are no big news today, okay? But market is keeping up the momentum to the downside, okay? Especially struggling in the overnight session to hold value above VWAP, like I've shown to you. First trend I'm watching out is the man bounce at 5800s, okay, 5802, where price dips under pre-market lows, okay, basically does something like this, as you can see in the green drawing. I cannot zoom it even further, but something like this, okay, where we just break the previous low and there is buying pressure, immediate buying pressure, something like of that kind. Then we have the second approach I'm taking, which is the 5840s, which coincides with Friday's low and a 15-minute supply. Okay, so first I will be looking for bears to show up here. If the momentum keeps on being present, I'm taking the market short right here, from 5840 to 5846s. Okay. So basically what I'm trying to is a fast move into there, not able to sustain value there and above VWAP like we have seen. So this needs to be a fast push up and a even faster move down. So I have to be very fast in executing this one, and sometimes when you have to be that fast, the confirmations for that specific setup are worse or not as reliable. So I also have the other scenario. If bears do not show up, or we have some form of acceptance here above 5840s, above 5846s. Okay, I'm interested in playing. I'm interested in playing. Sorry, in taking market long above this 5846. Okay, targeting the 5880s. Okay, this is what I mean. So first rejection. Okay, right here. This is the low made on Friday, which also aligned with some sort of resistance overnight, which then led to this sell-off. If price is able to break above this, the previous low, and hold above, I believe 5880 could be traded today. Okay, so it's a simple plan. Let's see how it goes today. I believe I'm doing something very cool, which is important, which is having and marking what has been happening in the market, okay? Because at the end of the day, you can have all the strategies that you want, but the market doesn't care about strategies. The market only cares about moving, and it moves to where the money is and to where traders are. So I believe that we all, and this is something that I should have done way in the beginning of my trading career, which is as simple as taking notes in a journal of what has been happening each day. Okay, so for example, the main takeaways from the previous week were simple. Okay, VWAP has been playing a huge role. Okay, especially if it's relevant in the overnight session, we can rely on it for the regular trading hour session. Also, the best setups for me are occurring later in the session. Okay, midday, 1 hour before the power hour, at the power hour, so they're happening later in the day. So if I can and if I'm able to, I will try to show up a little later, or not to be as focused and hyper focused on the first 1 to 2 hours, but let just some alerts, okay, on the prices that I'm watching out for a potential move. Okay, I believe that's the main focus right now. These two things. Okay, so simple as that. So this is something that I should have done way quicker, way earlier in my trading career. Okay, but nonetheless, I'm enjoying trading, and yeah, 3 minutes to the open, and I'm getting ready for this. Just gonna check out what is going on every morning. Wish you all the best today. Of course, every other trading day. Thanks. For you too. Oh, okay. This was unfortunate. Okay. Oh, be careful. In 5 seconds, a bell will ring. I need to get rid of this. It's normal to see that sellers, especially right now. Oh, no, no, no. Especially right now, that are not getting their way, as this is the fifth day in a row that market is fallen. So fallen, yeah, not the third, but like this were the red days, both of them. But come on, they were red days for about 10 to 15 points each. So basically, they were basing candles in flat days. But it's normal to see that this type of action. So sellers are trying to find value and discover new quote unquote, of course, new prices. Okay, with respect to the previous one, the previous prices, the recent ones. So yeah, it's normal to see this type of action. I would like to see something very fast and abrupt. Okay, so we can see here that buyers are trying on the bottom half of each candle. We can see some selling pressure, however, not getting rewarded right away. Cumulative balance. Okay, buying pressure right here at the 51.15s. Let's see if the same pattern from the previous week keeps up or not. However, we are not at a level of interest, so we'll have the benefit of doubt here if this fails. But yeah, they're really fighting right here. Okay, we have a delta, a downtrending delta. Oh, a downtrending delta. Wait a second, really? I didn't know about this. Look at that. Let's see if price will follow up delta, which is usually what we see, or is the norm, so to say. Let's see. Okay. So far, we have some buying pressure right here. Okay, but the selling overwhelmed this buying pressure so far. We have a order, a rest. Okay, we don't anymore. Just forget about it. Okay. Buyer step then. $58.25s. Will this be the move that breaks view up? Oh no. Okay. Let's see. If bulls are strong enough to hold price above VWAP. Okay. Okay, give me 5 minutes. I really need to go to the restroom. Okay, guys, I'm back. And seems like buyers are taking their way and breaking VWAP. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I want to see this 5840 retest and how it plays out. Let's see, let's see. Okay, 5840s is right here. Okay, a lot of buying pressure. Okay. Let's see if I can spot something here on the tape. Can identify already some sort of absorption here at the top, but nothing yet too clear. Ideally, I would like to see is another push up with some absorption failing to break the previous high. That would be very clear to me, and I would take that short immediately. Let's see. Okay, 5840s. Let's see. There is some selling pressure right here at the 5840 mark. Okay, I'm enjoying this. Okay. Let's see, but I want to see how this plays out. One. Placing a short. Let's see. 5839s. Let's see. Let's see if I can get the fill. 5839s with the stop at 5843s. Okay, and I'm in. I'm targeting essentially 5830s. Okay, let's see. Let me just print this one out. 58.39. Stop at 58.43. Targeting view up 58.30. Around that area, 58.29s. Okay. Action. Minor buying absorption. Not really, in my opinion. Slightly. And selling pressure at the 58.40 level. Okay. So what I'm looking at essentially is just a pullback like the one that's happening, and I'm going to be real careful. I'm going to play out this very cautiously, as I don't want to get caught up in a pullback. Okay, basically what I'm targeting is really simple. It's just this right here, okay? This is essentially what I'm targeting at. A drop into this area to a possible bounce, doesn't matter. Okay, simple as that. So I'm playing this one very carefully. Basically, my stop is very close to break even right now. Okay, adjusting my stop to break even at 58.41s, sort of that. Okay, need to be. Okay, I don't like how this is displaying. I will need to to change this in a little. Let's see how this one goes. Okay, we need some more. Okay, I want this at 58.99, 29s. Okay, let's see. 58.29 is the final target for me. Okay, I'm moving this a little more. 58.40.5. Okay, come on. Just another push down. Okay, beautiful. Okay, I'm moving this a little further down. 58.30s, here we have it. Okay. Come on, another leg down, come on. Can we have that one? Okay, above this at 58.37, I'm bailing out. Come on, just another push down. Let's see. 8.30s, once more. Okay. Okay, I'm not risking it. 58.30s. It's where I'm gonna exit this one. Okay, I flatten. I was not enjoying how this was stalling right here. Okay, I could be wrong. However, since I have been in a losing streak, okay, this plays a huge role, whether I like it or not. I had to really just lock in some profits, okay. I could have gotten a better price. However, I'm not gonna risk trying to bottom thick something, okay, when this is playing out like this, okay. So no need to really be it like that. However, yes, I could have held a little longer, I know, but I'm okay with this. I need to be a little safer, and I was also a little. I had some more size, okay, than I have been, okay. 2 more lots, nothing crazy, but I wanted to really take this advantage for a quick move. So believe it or not, I know that. Let me just check. Okay, I will write this one down. Got out. 6 profit. Main reasons. Confirmation was not the strongest. So I took what the market gave me, stalling at 58.30. So 1 point shabby of my 58.29 target. My 58.9 target. It's really followed up. Okay, I'll show you guys. So we're not seeing this. Okay, which was then followed up by selling at the 58.40 mark. Okay, and as you can see, this was a minor pullback. Okay, simple as that. So I don't see a reason to really be upset or something of that kind. Even if this sold into the VWAP, yes, my target would have played out, but like this was a fast trade and a fast pullback. So yeah, no reason to overcomplicate. Okay. I didn't, of course, that this is micro focused. Okay. And of course, that, yeah, this is just because I had a position on, but I was not enjoying, I didn't enjoy this. Okay. Bears tried to move even lower, but they failed to on multiple retests. Okay. The first one, the second one, and the third one. Okay. So I didn't like this. And then, yeah. I could have got out at 58.30 or 58.31. So yeah, at the 2 hour mark, okay. In hindsight, of course, this was the best move to do. However, 58.33 was also reasonable, and I enjoyed it. So yeah, I believe that this was a good trade. It didn't play out as I was expecting it to do, but yeah, still a nice trade. Okay. Immediate sell-in once again. Now at the Friday's lows. Okay. Very nice. Have in mind that the price is uptrending. Okay. As of this regular trading hour session. So basically, I was counter trending and I tried to time it perfectly. Okay. So I usually don't like to get short right away. Oh, I don't like to trade right away after I get out, whether it is for a profit or for a loss. I don't like to get short right away. And even if I did, not short, sorry. I don't like to place a trade after I get out of a trade right away. Okay. So even if I did, like this was at 256s, the first retest, and we have a second retest 10 minutes later. Okay. So this is not a very reliable zone. Okay, by backtesting, of course, this tends to not be as reliable as a normal zone because first we have a second retest, and the second retest assumes that that the first sellers in this case were already filled and they had their selling intention filled and covered. So means that there are no more big sellers sell at this supply zone. That's what it means, right? And even if not, that's not enough. The second one is within this type of structure and within this 10-minute range, we had two tests of this zone. Okay, this can perfectly sell off. Okay, and it looks like it's doing it that. However, I don't feel that I should place more risk uh, behind um, this zone. Sorry, the words were missing. Let me just check. So yeah, 150. Okay, not bad. If we have into consideration that the play did not go fully uh, to my favor, it's decent. Here we have it once again. Mistiming the move. Okay, very nice. Another. Okay, this is another pattern. Okay, that I'm seeing. It happened on Friday to me. Very similar structure to this one. Very similar. Okay, let's just see if I can check this one out. Very sim. Okay, this was not similar, of course, but I got in short right here. Okay, basically, uh, it was very similar if I did end up being short right around here. Okay, something like this, and then enjoy. Take advantage of this move down, this little move down, and then getting stopped out. Okay, but after this, there's another leg higher. Okay, just like we have seen today. You can check this out, just like you have seen today. Okay, another leg higher. We then tanked, the price tanked after that, after this, and yeah, I mistimed the market once more. But today I had the privilege to make some money in it, on it. Let's see if VWAP acts as support. We are testing it right now. What a beautiful rejection. The second rejection, I was completely wrong. Okay. Very, very cool to see that. Okay, and you are not seeing that. Sorry. Okay, so this it was a beautiful rejection. Second retest. Very cool to see. Um, exactly into Friday's lows. Okay, so bears just showed up to defend Friday's lows, which this is key for me. So yeah, market is just selling off. Didn't saw much really at this. Essentially, something of the similar to the previous retest. However, I enjoyed this a little more. Okay, we had some higher elevated volume, buying pressure. Okay, not volume but delta. Sorry. Okay, and then after that we moved down, and then we saw this at the 5840s, and yeah, I really enjoy this one. It's very funny to see that price doesn't need to move a lot for us traders to make some money. Like, uh, even if I had re-entered that retest on, I don't know, this was at 58.46s. Yeah, I needed to be very fast on this one. Like at 58.42s, 42s. Yeah, price stop above 58.43 is price at 58.47s. Okay, something like that of that nature. 58.47, no 44, right? No 43. Targeting 58.30. Like that's awesome. That's that's around 15 points. Okay, 15 points, it's a lot of points. Okay, especially when we have some size in it. Okay, 15 points on one yes is 750, $750. Okay, and that happened within 307, within 5 minutes. Okay, that happened within 5 minutes. 58.43 to 58.29 is around $700. Okay, 14 points, not 15. And that happened very quickly. Okay, so this proves that I really prefer more this action, which is not that fast. Okay, but it moves, but it's not that fast, and it provides some signals. Okay, compared to some days on the previous week where we just moved around way too much, but didn't provide there weren't any clear signs to get in short nor long. Okay, and I don't really like to trade those environments. I hate it actually. Okay, guys. I really don't believe that I will place any more trades today. Okay. I know that it's still early, but I want to enjoy my day. I'm glad that I was able to have a winning trade. I don't know. Okay, if 58.45 is around that area, still trade once more. I'm still sticking around. Okay, not going anywhere else. However, I'm working on this project for trading, which is basically I'm trying to develop my own trading journal um, with my own features that I want to. And yeah, most likely within 20 to 30 minutes, I will be shutting down. And yeah, nonetheless, I will see how this 58.45 reacts once more. Okay, here we have it. Let's see. Okay, we have some selling pressure right at the 58.40, 42.25. Okay, beautiful selling pressure right there. Okay, and it's building up. Okay, some potential sell-in absorption. Let's see. But even if this is some sell-in absorption, like it's difficult for me to really get long right away. I needed some more clearness. Especially coming from bookmap. Okay, I believe I need to be picky and more selective when I have a trading a day that I am already in the money. So okay. Potential sell-in absorption on the third retest. Okay. I believe that the only problem really right now is this rally. Okay, so we are basically rallying 30 points without pulling on back. Okay, that is not a very good thing um, to be happening if we want for higher prices right away. Okay, and I believe that even if I wanted to get in right now, I could very well be right on the overall direction that will follow, but I can very well be mistiming the move. Okay, let's see how the price reacts once more to this 58.40s, the 58.37s. Buyers are having some issues right now at the 58.50 mark. As we can see, there is a lot of buying pressure right here. Not yet able to get the reward for their efforts. Well, still waiting. Okay, let's go. Let's see this move. Let's see how 58.42 plays out. Let me widen a little this one. Ideally, what I wanted to see right now is strong selling pressure, okay? With some big numbers right here at the order flow. This is the first real pullback since 58.20. So yeah, and this is only a 10-point move, okay? 10-point pullback. So let's see how this will play out. Okay, all we have right now is 170 at the 58.40s. I wanted more. 123. I wanted more at multiple levels, not only at 58.40s, because that could imply that there is only one participant interested in that level, and that one participant is very hard to really just base our trading expectations based on that only participant. So I wanted to see more selling pressure kicking in especially right around here at the 58.43 to 58.38s. Yeah, right where we had this at 58.42.25. That would be very cool to see. If I can see that, then yeah, I will try to put some risk here at the 58.43, 58.42 marks with my stop under 58.39. If that happens, otherwise, yeah, I'm just bailing out, and I don't really like, and I'm not risking the profits I've made um, with a low quality setup. This is moving on thin volume and on thin delta, which means it's moving fast. And we can clearly see that by looking at the order flow, at the book map visually. Okay. Dang, I'm cold. Okay. Because whether we like it or not, this can go higher. However, this can easily go and test VWAP once more. Okay, and even then, this can still be bullish. Okay. And right now, I can easily see why people would get in short right here. I wouldn't personally. Okay. But yeah, I feel like there is not enough confirmations for me to just place a long right here, right now. Market isn't in the size for where to go. Will it pull even down and have a deeper pullback, a deeper dip, or will just go bounce right here and make new high of the day at the 51, 52, 58, 52. So yeah, we'll just have to wait and see. If it gives us some confirmations, I don't mind risking around $60, something like that, to see if this thing wants to go higher. If not, then I'm okay with the profits made. 58, 58.40 once again. Some selling pressure. Mhm. Okay, guys. There we have it. The four. It's four right here. So I'll actually have go for a run right now. And yeah, I don't believe I will be coming back today. I don't see the same absorption that I was seeing right here. This was a very cool absorption. Yeah, it happened fast. The dip right here and then the reclaim of it. Yeah, 51.41. Well, yeah, this would have to be a very, very fast trade. Execution. 58.41s. I don't know, targeting 58.50s. Yeah, it was hard. So I believe this was a good day of trading. I executed well. I stayed sharp, and yeah, I was fast executing. And I believe I managed my position well. Some mistakes were made, of course. Some minor adjustments could have been made, but I do believe it was a good trading day. And yeah, hope to see